Good to talk to mommy before.
She's there and she's fine.
Okay.
So let's sit down.
Sadia, once again, you're welcome.
Thank you. Salifu, where is mommy?
It's so unfortunate mom doesn't live here anymore, Sadia.
Why? Have you built her a different house?
No.
I don't get you, Salifu.
I know you'll be answering but whether she's fine.
I hope she's fine.
Maybe.
Salifu, I don't get you.
Why will you get me, Sadia? Because you've not asked me to explain things, what will it transpire when you were away back. So why will you understand what and the situation which we are going through now? If you care to know, mom is a witch and she's no more living with me here. She's been sent where witches lives.
Salifu.
Sadia.
Listen.
You definitely cough.
Oh, even if mom is a witch, is this the best way of preventing her from hunting you?
That is
Salifu, I'm just highly disappointed.
Don't be disappointed in me and the normal circumstances because wasn't my plans. That is how the community speaks. The community tells us when somebody is a witch, they need not to stay with people living around the area.
Oh my gosh. Salifu, mom is not a witch. Mom isn't a witch.
She's a witch, that's what they're telling us.
Mama Kasoy wo.
Mom
is not a witch. Salifu.
That is what they're saying, and I have to respect their statement.
When I came back, I didn't see my mom in the house. I asked my brother. My brother told me he has been taken to a place called Witch Camp. So frankly speaking, I didn't understand her. So I decided to come and see so that you can explain things further to me.
Sadia, you know our custom and tradition demands if a woman is a witch, we send them away. Other not to turn against and destroy other people. So we sent her away.
Baba, couldn't this tradition and customs or whatever in this community be changed? Now, why do you have to treat an old man like that? Simply because you said he's a witch. That's bad.
That is tradition. We can't do nothing about it. That is our tradition. We cannot stay here and destroy other people.
Sadia.
Now.
Calm down. If you say, oh, no, sir, and no true crime. It in your man, a ye, a mamre, any a man. Win him. The brafom.
Okay, Madasi. Baba, I don't go. If you still insist, then I think it's okay. I think I have to leave now.
Stop crying and listen. I am so sorry. We need to focus and let our bygone be bygone.
I missed my mom. Please, I want you to give me directions to the rich camp, please, Salifo.
I will. I know you have differently missed our mother. That is not how he brought us.
Please, I'm listening.
If that is your wish, Sadia, stop crying.
Okay.
Just go to the room now.
I'm so sorry. Mommy, I love you. Mommy, trust me. I'll bring you back home, okay?
Daddy, I deserve a witch. I'm not a witch, deserve a witch.
Mommy, I trust you. You're not a witch. I know, Mommy. I know, Mommy. You're making me sad.
And I was a mess. I want you, Anna. I'm not a witch.
I know, Mommy. Trust me. I'm going to take you home. Mommy, I know. You are not a witch, Mommy. Mommy. Mommy, I love you.
I love you more.
Mommy, I trust you.
Yeah, I'm not a witch.
I know, Mommy.
I'm not a witch.
That's why I'm here. I'm coming to take you back home.
No, Sadia, they will kill me.
Mommy,
they will kill me.
Mommy, I'm here for you. No one will kill you. I'm here. I'm going to protect you, Mommy.
Sadia, they will kill me. I don't want to die.
Mommy, I'm going to protect you, Mommy.
No, they will kill me.
Mommy, listen, you don't belong here, Mommy. Please, do you want me to die?
Sadia, just leave me. I've been here for the past 10 years.
Mommy, you're making me sad.
I'm used to here, please. Let me be. Please, my daughter, let me be.
Mommy, no. Mommy, you Mommy.
Maggie. Yeah. I need your help.
Okay, what is it?
You know, yesterday I told you we were traveling and we needed
we needed a place to sleep and
Yes.
continue the journey. It's not true.
Really?
Yes, they accused my mother as a witch and
What?
oh yeah.
But even if she's a witchcraft, sucking her to the bush is not a solution.
Maggie, that's my worries now. How does witch work? What is witch?
Tumi ye tumi. Ntumi so. Ade se wo ye hu. So bi abaifu a hu asem. Mpo ya konfompo ye bo bayi.
People baby. Nana, really you create witchcraft.
Wafre kwato ani sa aba sanse wakwada. E ka kire se. Je bon hwe. Ani tutu no kura. So penko adia.
What baby?
Ten. E ya de kete. Ti nyansam bi anim. Se wo pam obi de ne kwatena wiram. Sanse wo bayifo. Tu de ne kwatena wiram na bayi na firi nim. Uni ma honhom a wo wiram ho. Between ten.
Nana, bet me about say me man no baby.
Ana medical ka. Se honhom no wo mpo a yetu.
What are we going to do to let our people know that what we are doing is very wrong?
With this issue, we really need to find a solution to it.
Yes.
We really need to do something about it before it gets to our turn.
Yes.
You and I.
We need a solution. Because some planea to go stand the mouse.
Hey, yeah, you come at me when I think I have solution for you guys.
Really?
Sanda zuwa nku.
Salike ni baba dongo.
Ya anya.
Lafiya lo. Mungo da Allah kuma. Baba dongo. In fact, I'm really excited today because my sister and her team are here to give us pipe-borne water and then electricity. And the one leading this great and wonderful program is a black American old lady called Fozia. In fact, I will not talk much. I will allow my sister to explain further.
Okay, thank you.
Oh.
Sit down, my
Thank
sister.
you. Well, her name is Ricarda Morrison Fozia.
Re?
Ricarda.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. She has been doing WhatsApp projects in some of the communities in Ghana here, and we proposed to her, and she accepted to do some for us in this community too. So that's the reason why. That's the main purpose we are here, just to let you people know that she's ever ready to, get us this pipe.
Wow.
This borehole.
Wow.
So I wouldn't say much. I will let herself speak to you too.
Let her speak.
Whatever that is in me.
Yeah, yeah. I'm really excited to be part of this project. In fact, I'm happy to see you guys around.
is your mom. The one you sent to the bush. Simply because they said she's a witch. And listen, everyone. I'm so sorry if I really, or if I disobeyed your rules. There is one thing I want us all to know. That isn't all that same old women that live in abroad. They live comfortably there. And they even help the poor ones. Yes. And why do we think sending them to the bush, so-called witchcraft, would prevent them from hunting us? No, let me tell you, witchcraft is a spirit. And tell me, which one of you here can fight witchcraft physically? Can you do that? Can you do that? Okay, right. Salifu, I'm highly disappointed in you. Salifu, you took my mom to that bush and you were happily there living in the house. Eating, you were even able to sleep and enjoy yourself without your mom. How could you be so heartless, Salifu? When I came down, I told you I'm going to bring my mom back. And the same old woman you accused of she being a witch brought you life. That is water. Water, they said, is life. And she's the one that witch, your mom, the witch, is giving you life today. Salifu, sorry for yourself. Sorry for yourself. Okay. God bless you.
They care and protect their old women. Ours is different. But don't forget, we all will grow to be old one day.
Definitely.
One day. One day.
Let me cast a wound. It's
okay.
Yes, you should bring them all into the house and Allah will bless each one of you.
Yes. And when we do that, we will never, ever lose our history. We are losing our history. We are mistreating our old women, and it's going against us. Please, let's treat our old women right. Your own mother. How?
Sorry, my father, young